Your kitchen should be a place of nourishment, not a source of hidden toxins. Did you know that Teflon-coated non-stick pans release toxic fumes at high temperatures? PFOAs and PTFE chemicals found in non-stick cookware have been linked to cancer, hormone disruption, and immune system damage. Every meal could be coated with invisible chemicals that harm your family's health. But what if there was a better way, a healthier, natural, and sustainable choice? Introducing our handcrafted clay cooking set, 100% toxin-free, eco-friendly, and infused with nature's goodness. Everything you need for a safe and flavorful cooking experience. Enhances natural flavors, preserves nutrients. Better than metal cookware, 100% chemical-free, no toxins, no risk, supports local artisans and sustainability. We don't just sell cookware, we are building a greener future. Our products are delivered using zero-emission electric vehicles. Protect your health, support local artisans. Make every meal a step toward a better future. Get your complete clay cooking set for only $5,990. Limited stock. Order now. Direct message us to place your order.